Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm rebuilding my Minn Kota Duramax 55-pound thrust trolling motor. I bought this last year and it wasn't running very well or working very well, and there's a bearing that's bad in here. And so I bought a rebuild kit and another part for the bearing to fit in, which brush plate, I believe that's what it's called. And I'm going to rebuild this motor. It's a simple, easy job. This is what it's doing. So yeah, it's not working very well. So I bought the rebuild kit from trollingmotorparts.com. The rebuild kit itself and this brush plate was $30 with shipping. It was the cheapest I could find, and it got here within a few days after I ordered, which was really nice. I'll leave a link down to his excuse the messy bench. You know how it is. Bushing looks good. Comes with no seals. Frozen right solid. So this shouldn't be too bad. It's going to be a bit to get that off of there, but it shouldn't be too awful bad. Last year when I took this apart, there was water inside, and normally when the water's inside, it's from seals being bad. But these seals are good, so more than likely they dropped it in the water. I know because I've done that. It's a T20 Torx bit. Comes with no screws too. Yeah, nice little corrosion down in there. Gonna have to clean that up before I do anything else with putting it all back together. Yeah, it's a plumbing brush, but it works. before I lose everything. Yeah, I clean that mess up too. I had to take my gloves off so I can feel all this stuff. This is going to be a fun little treat here. Pretty simple. Sometimes. Pretty tough little package. Water and another seal. So it looks like a seal might have been a problem here. Okay, so my personal preference, I like to put a little grease around things just to help them slide in there a little better and maybe seal up a little better. You could choose whatever you want to do, but that's what I like to do. Looks like it's seated. That's the easy part. Not to hit the floor. Okay, now there's little collars or ears that holds this in place. So the fun part's going to be getting this all lined up. Careful not to tighten them too much because you'll strip them easy in that aluminum. Okay, and since it comes with a new E-clip, I'm going to replace that too. Make sure those go back on. Now the fun part, getting the armature back in. One side's beveled. One side is this is beveled, the other side is not. And it's got a nice strong magnet. Lined up, lined up. It's just aluminum, don't want to over tighten it. Let's hook the battery up, see if we got anything right now. Ooh, that sounds a lot better than the other one did. Whole lot better. Works a whole lot better too. Perfect. So this project is done. Look at that. No grabbing. That bearing's working good. No vibration in here, and it's going to have a little bit more RPMs and a little more speed for me. So if you didn't want to drive the bearing on and off, you could order an armature for it, which I believe is $50. So if you just wanted to buy the seal kit and the plate, the bushing plate or brush plate and armature, you're about $100 to rebuild this. And to buy this motor brand new, I believe on Amazon, I looked it up, it was like $330 or something like that. So anyhow, I'll leave all the links down below to the website I purchased everything. And for the armature, the seal kit, and the brush plate for if you want to order it that way. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Everybody have a good evening, and we'll see you on the next one.